While everyone else is paying £24 plus a month for n8n Cloud, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own instance for completely free using Render, and why this might actually be better for learning automations. I build AI automations and SaaS tools using n8n as my backbone. I've developed dozens of these instances for my clients, and today I'm walking you through the exact process I use with Render's free tier. Before anyone gets upset in the comments, n8n Cloud is fantastic. If you're making money from your automations, pay for it. Support the developers, but if you're learning, experimenting, or just getting started, this free method using Render will teach you way more about how n8n actually works under the hood. Let's be honest on what exactly you're paying for n8n Cloud. You get hosting, automatic updates, and support. That's it. The core n8n software is completely open source. You can run it anywhere. This is my self-hosted setup running on Render's free tier. Same interface, same nodes, same capabilities. The only difference is I control the server. I control the data and I understand how it actually works. Render gives you 750 hours per month on their free tier. That's enough to run n8n continuously for over 25 days. More than enough for learning and testing. I've tried Railway and similar services, but honestly, Render wins for beginners because it's genuinely simple and their free tier actually works reliably. No credit cards required to start, no surprise bills. And unlike some other services which kill their free tier, Render is committed to keeping theirs available. The only downside, your instance goes to sleep after 15 minutes of inactivity. But honestly, for learning and testing, that's not a problem at all. Let's get this thing going. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. So here's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to go to render.com and then you're going to start for free. And then you're going to add your login or sign up information here. And then you're going to create your account and it'll send you a verification email to the email you added here. So resend verification email. You don't have to do that. You just have to go to your email and verify it. You're just going to click here, verify email, and it'll open a new tab with your Render's dashboard. And then you can just skip through all of this. You don't have to add anything. And then you're going to go and select the hobby plan, which is completely free. Just keep skipping on everything, and then you're going to go ahead. Once you're on this page, you're completely signed in, right? So then you're going to go ahead and click deploy a web service, and then you're going to go to the existing image because you're going to go ahead and paste n8n's Docker image here. So you open a new tab, type here n8n Docker. Let's go to this, accept it, scroll down, and you're going to copy this. This is the Docker image. You're going to copy this and you're going to paste it here, and then you're going to connect it. And then once again, just come here, click on free, that's enough, and then deploy web service. So after you click on deploy web service, you'll have to, this is a little pain in the neck. You'll have to wait for a while until it finishes deploying, and then once it's deployed, you will be able to access n8n for completely free. Okay, now the deployment is done. You just have to go ahead here, click on this link, and it will open your n8n for you to sign up. So that's about it. That's, you have already put it on Render, and now here you go. You just have to fill in your email, first name, last name, password, and once you do that, you'll have access to create new workflows and add the same nodes. As it'll basically be the exact same as you paying for the n8n Cloud version. It'll be the same as the 24 pound version, but like I said, there's a few drawbacks. The drawbacks are, starting off, like I said earlier, the sleep issue. After around 15 minutes of no activity, your instance goes to sleep. If you send a webhook, it takes about 30 seconds to wake it back up. For learning, this is completely fine. For production, it's not. Second, you get 750 hours per month. If you go over that, your instance stops until next month. And I don't think you'll go over that if you're just learning and testing. Third, if something breaks, you're troubleshooting it yourself. No n8n support to help you here. But here's why I actually prefer this setup for learning. You understand how everything connects. When you eventually move to production, whether that's n8n cloud or your own server, you'll know exactly how it all works and connects. So with that said, subscribe if this saved you some money and taught you something new. I post new automation builds and tutorials every week, always focusing on real practical systems you can actually use. I'll see you in the next one.